G'day everyone, I'm Jake Phillips from Angus Australia. On behalf of the Angus Foundation, I have an exciting announcement for you all. Together with our friends and partners at AuctionsPlus, we are pleased to announce a cadetship opportunity for a young person with a keen interest in agribusiness and digital ag to spend some time with one of the leading online agricultural marketplaces in Australia, AuctionsPlus. That's right, the Angus Foundation AuctionsPlus Cadetship will allow the successful candidate to spend up to 4 weeks entrenched in the AuctionsPlus business, learning from some of the best in the business. The recipient will receive $5,000 towards travel and accommodation and will also be awarded a position in the renowned Marcus Oldham Rural Leadership Workshop. Angus Australia are proud to partner with AuctionsPlus to bring you this opportunity, which is worth more than $10,000. The cadetship is open to members who are 18 years of age or over. So to apply, please head to the Angus Australia website or follow the links on our social media channels, or please don't hesitate to get in contact with me. A reminder that the applications will close on the 11th of April, so don't hesitate to apply now, and good luck.